So now I'm going to show you how you can make personalized wish lists for your customers. So when I set up a party, I usually have a post where I offer to make a personalized wish list for customers based on the ages and the interests of their children, um, and it could also be things that they want their children learning about, or if they're looking for gifts for other people's children. They just give me the information, and then I come onto my website and go to my account, and I make them a personalized wish list and come up with a bunch of recommendations for them. So I go to my account, and you come over here and you add a wish list. So you type in the name of the person, or however you want to remember what their wish list is under. And I would click a party that I'm shopping under, or that they're shopping under. I'm going to click save. Now all of your wish lists are going to come up right here. And there's several pages. So when you go to edit the wish list, you're going to come all the way over here and click edit book details. Okay, now, so let's start off with, say, recommendations for babies. Say this person has a baby, oh, my baby's 6 months old, he can't really read yet, but he likes to play with the books and chew on them and all that stuff. So I come over here, and what I like to do is hit age levels and come under babies and toddlers, and it's going to give you all of the age-appropriate books for them. Now, some of them, like, obviously you're not going to pick this for a 6-month-old. It's a little advanced. But you could, I like to click on the book, and you can look under specifications. Okay, so that's for 9 months plus. It's also a fold-out book, so it's great for tummy time, high chair time, independent play, and all that stuff. And that would be the perfect book to pick. So you're going to click Add to Wish List, and it's going to come up on your wish list. So now instead of going back to shop and search and everything, you just want to click your back arrow, click once more, and it'll take you back to this page, and you can keep looking for books to recommend. So you can, if you're not really sure about books or what age range they would be good for or whatever, just come and take a peek at the overview, look at the specifications, and this is another one that I would add. I love little finger trails and stuff and these books for babies. And I like to do like quite a few options so people have some variation, some extra options to choose from. So let's see, what else did I pick? You just keep searching. Maybe like a slide and see. These are, I think they're a little bit older. Yeah, but that would be perfectly fine. A baby could still enjoy a book like that. Okay, and so then maybe this family has another child. Say the child's 5 years old, and the child is a girl, and she loves princesses and fairies and all things girly. I still like to do it under the age levels. It kind of just helps to break it down for me. Or I will go up to the search bar and I'll do princesses and see what comes up for that. And what will be perfect is sticker books. I add that. You just keep searching. There's something princess stories. Add that to the wish list. And let's try fairies. Little girls love sticker books. That's for sure. So I always like to put a few sticker book options on the wish list. Let's see, maybe one of these would be nice. Let's see this one. Look inside. Okay, so that's basically the general gist of it all. And you just keep adding to their wish list. Like I said, I like to put quite a bit of books on there to give them a variety to choose from, and just try to kind of stay on the topics that they've mentioned. And then when you're finished, you're going to X out of that wish list, and it will bring you back here. Now, I did forget, of course, I forgot something. Um, you want to share this link, right? So you're not going to come up here and grab the link for this wish list. You're going to view the wish list. You're going to come down here. Now, if you're not finding any link here, you're going to click Update Wish List. You're going to come all the way down here, and you're going to highlight this and share this. Because a lot of times, it's not going to work to give them this link up here for some reason. I know it looks the same, but I always just use this one just in case, because I've had instances where it hasn't worked before. So then you're going to take that and you're going to copy it and paste it into a comment and tag their name and let them know a few things that you recommended for them, and there you go. So, and then you click out, and it'll bring you right back to the wish list that you've created. And if you need to go back, you can always edit the book details. And when you need to add another one, you just add another wish list right there. So I hope that makes sense and gives a little direction on how to create personalized wish lists for your customers.